today we're in an X7 and I'm going to go over what this whole panel will do for you. So first thing that we're going to do when we want to turn on the cruise control system is we're going to press this button down here with the steering wheel and the lines and the little car. And then we're going to select with this mode button the drive mode we want. So we want the assisted driving, and then we press set. And now it's got us at the assisted driving mode, and it's going to bring us down to 70 miles an hour. We can adjust the speed with the middle rocker panel right here. So if we want to increase, let's go up to 73. And it is steering the car right now, so you can lightly keep your hand on the wheel just to make sure you're still in control, but it is using the assisted steering. So this is one option for the cruise control. It will maintain distance between you and the car in front of you, which you can adjust with these right here. So if we wanted to decrease, now we're at the lowest setting right here. And then if we want to increase, give us more room, we just press the button with the plus there. And then if we wanted to go back and change the mode, I'm going to go ahead and press mode, and now we're just doing distance control. So the steering has turned off and the cruise is still on. All the safety features are on. It's still reading the car in front of us. Actually shows the semi-truck right here with a little graphic. Actually shows a semi-truck. So right now the car just slowed down to maintain that distance that I set earlier. If we want to do a limit for ourselves, so say we're going to speed up a little bit, and then we're going to set our limit at 80 miles an hour. There we go. So right now there's no cruise set, but if I try to go up past 80 miles an hour, I'm hitting the gas and there's nothing happening. But I get really on the gas there, then it's going to brake past it there. And then you can cancel that out as well. Just go ahead and press it again. All right. I hope that helps everybody. Gives you a little bit of clarification on this little panel right here.